Hello, my name's Kayla. I called you guys just to let you know that I was going to make a custom video for you. I was just doing some research in the area and saw that, the traffic and volume is absolutely there. Just it looks like there's, some companies that really could use some help as far as SEO goes to get organically ranked on Google, especially if you're paying for Google ads. Once you stop paying for those, Google doesn't care where you are, and your site goes right back to where it's organically ranked anyway. So, why not get your site organically ranking at the top of the list here? And actually, you are number 2 on the Google Map Pack, which is awesome. You definitely would get a lot of traffic being the number 2 listing on here. You definitely want to be, stay within the top 3. And what we could always do too is, make sure no one's coming up close to you as far as citations go. So I'm going to hit on like 3 main topics. And since we're talking about map packs, I'll start with the citations. And what citations are, it's basically just like your business information, your name, phone number, address, listed on other platforms across the internet. And, how many citations you have and the quality of the citations is really going to help you rank. That's what's driving your ranking on the Google Map Pack piece of it. And then the second piece is your organic listing, which is what's down here. And I didn't think I saw you guys on the first page. So I did go into your site here. Nice site. One thing, so like I said, I was going to hit on 3 things. The first were the citations. The second thing is content. And Google's really looking for about 2,000 keywords on your front page here. And then within that content, you're really going to want some good targeted keywords that you're looking to get clients. I'll kind of show you a little bit more about what I'm talking about when I go to the back end of your site here. But basically, if you're targeting, replacement windows, Pittsburgh PA, or window installers, Pittsburgh, we want to make sure that we have enough backlinks, enough keywords to bring you up for that specific targeted keyword. Now I said backlinks, so I was looking here at your backlinks. You guys have about 63 referring domains, and this is really the important number versus this number, which is good. But I want to see, what the competitors are doing, because the better quality and the more domains you have, referring domains, again, that's going to drive up your organic ranking. So I just want to take a look at your organic keywords here and see and show you where the opportunity is at, because I definitely saw that there was a lot of opportunity when I was doing some research. And all right, so I want to show you. So if Lancaster, for example, is somewhere you want to target, replacement Windows Lancaster, you're on number 11, so on page 2 of Google. So not really bringing in these 50 searches per month. You're not bringing any of those in on the second page. That's going to like your top 3 organic ranked sites there. Window replacement Lancaster, replacement Windows York, 15. There's 80 search volume. So like all this search volume, replacement Windows Pittsburgh, 300 searches a month, and you're on page 3. 1 through 10, yeah, page 3. So why not, get you ranked for those keywords? The difficulty really, it's not going to be too difficult. I mean, it would take a few months, but why not, start that process and get ranked on the top few spots for all of that search volume? You want to be bringing in as much search volume as you can. Unless you guys already have, way too much work and don't want to scale anymore, then absolutely, just, stay where you're at, no problem. But if those are targets that you want to be bringing in more clients from, let's get you ranked organically. People are searching for this stuff. I mean, it's in the numbers, 300 people a month are looking for replacement windows in Pittsburgh, and window replacement 50 a month searching for Lancaster. So let's get you that traffic. And then, like I said, I would bring up a competitor's site here just to see, so you can kind of compare where you're at versus some competitors. Let's take a look at yours again. So you got about 860 keywords, 63 domains. So I'm going to bring on Window World, for example. I'm going to see where they're at. And another cool thing that you can do on your site for keywords is making sure any photos that you're using on your site, make sure those photos are saved with keywords. So instead of just, having whatever your photo saved as, make it a targeted keyword. So window replacement Lancaster. And people don't see what your photos are saved as, excuse me, but Google does. When they're crawling your site, they're able to see that. That would count as a keyword for you. They have 714 keywords, 89 referring domains. So not too far off from where you guys are at all. But look at the traffic that they're bringing in. 89 referring domains. I would have to, really dig into the authority level that the domains they have are. Like if they're high authority, low authority. Because when it comes to backlinks, quality over quantity all day long. You want the sites that are linking back to your sites, you want those sites to be of high authority and good, trustworthy sites that Google already likes, because that's just going to drive up the ranking on your site. But see, like Replacement Windows Pittsburgh, they're number 2. They're bringing in like all of this volume. Window Replacement Pittsburgh, 200, number 2. They're bringing in from all of these keywords that they're targeting. They're bringing in the traffic because they're number 1, number 2 in ranking. So why don't we go after the same things they're going after? Obviously making sure this is what you want, but then just getting more keywords, getting more content, getting more backlinks, getting more citations. We have the tools and the capability to know what they're doing in order to be 2 steps ahead of them. So if this is something that you would want to know more about or maybe work together on, I would absolutely love to talk to you more about it. Just, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'm going to be sending this via email, so you can email me back. And if not, if you would just maybe give me some feedback on the video, I would really appreciate that too. My name is Kayla, and my phone number is 814-440-4621. And I work for myself. I've a smaller digital marketing agency, KO Marketing, and I would absolutely love to work with you. So give me a holler back and let me know what you think. Thank you so much, and have a great day.